Mom, did you see that?
It's probably the table.
But it moved.
Come on, keep cutting.
Mom!
Oh my goodness!
Don't worry, I'm an egg expert. An egg expert? The best one!
Careful, Ben. Don't break them.
Millie, look! I found a huge one!
That's not huge, Ben. It's normal.
Normal? This egg is almost bigger than my breakfast.
You think everything is about breakfast.
Because breakfast is important.
Ben, look at our basket. We already have so many.
Wow, Dad is going to be happy.
We need to keep them safe.
Don't worry, I'll protect them.
You protect them?
Of course, I'm the egg expert.
Slowly, slowly. Now you're finally being careful.
Good job, you two.
Bring them over. Let's get them ready for the market. Let's keep them nice and neat.
Dad, do you think we'll sell them all?
I think we'll make some good sales today.
And maybe buy some ice cream?
We'll see, young businessman.
Millie, could you take this last pack to the kitchen?
Sure, Mom. I'll help you. You can open the door.
Very important job.
What are we making?
A delicious egg stew.
Really?
My favorite!
Then both of you can help me.
I'm ready! You haven't even started! I'm ready for the eating part.
Let's get started.
I'll cut the vegetables, and I'll do whatever is important.
Like what? Taste testing.
You two are already making me laugh. Five eggs? 5 fresh eggs for our stew.
They look really fresh.
They came from our chickens this morning.
Mom, did you see that?
It's probably the table.
But it moved.
Come on, keep cutting. Come on, let's start the eggs.
First one,
There we go.
and the second. One more.
Oh my goodness!
Catch that little chick! It lost the shell!
Peep! There it is!
Catch it!
Wait! Peep!
I've got you! Whoa! You're so tiny.
You caught it! Peep. Peep.
You. Whoa!
Peep.
You're so tiny.
Peep.
Look how tiny he is.
He's so cute.
He must have just hatched.
Peep.
Are you looking at me?
Peep. Peep.
Ben, take him back to his mother.
Okay, Mom.
I think he wants to go home.
Come on, little guy. I got him.
Hello?
Whoa, wait! I'm trying to give him back. Why is your mom angry? I'm trying to give him back.
I'm home.
Don't worry. Dad will help us. Dad, you have to help me.
Okay, Ben, what happened?
I was trying to return this chick, but its mother started chasing me. She was really angry. Peep. See?
I think I know what happened. She probably thought you were trying to steal her baby.
Steal it?
To her, that's what it looked like.
But I was trying to help.
I know. Show her the chick. Don't look threatening.
Okay, I'll try. Okay, I'll show her. It found its family.
Welcome home, little guy. Looks like he belongs there.
Finally! You were really hungry. I ran all the way after that chick.
And now you can eat.
Wow. Mom, this is really good.
It's delicious.
Ben, slow down.
I'm hungry.
What happened outside? I heard everyone running around. What?
Dad, you won't believe what happened. One of the eggs had a chick inside.
A chick?
It cracked open right in the kitchen, and it ran away.
Well, that's a first. Well, sometimes it happens like that.
At least our little chick is safe.
And we still got lunch.
That's what you're worried about? Of course. He's still there.